Hey everybody. We are going to have a little Kajabi camp session because someone just asked me, hey, how do you embed SpeakPipe onto um, Kajabi? And I was like, oh, I could show you that. So basically, what is SpeakPipe? SpeakPipe is what you're looking at it right here, and I've embedded this on my flash briefing page, which is where I put all the recordings of my daily news briefings on here, and someone can just press the button and really easily leave me a voice message. But you could use this anywhere. They give you a link, a button. It's a wonderful way to engage with your audience, and the recordings are so crystal clear that you can reuse them, repurpose them very easily. So let me show you how to do it. This will only take a second. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed SpeakPipe onto a Kajabi page. So you go into Site Settings, and then you click Add Inline Widget over here on the right. And for the display name, I'm just going to I'm going to type in Leave Me a Message. And the widget name is just for internal purposes. So I'm just going to call it SpeakPipe Kajabi. And then click Add. And then you'll notice that I am given this HTML embed code right here in this box. So I'm going to copy this. And this is what it's going to look like. And you could go into SpeakPipe and make this all, like you can make this button the color you want it to be and all that. But in fact, right here for the widget color, I'm going to put in, might as well do that while we're here, in my pink. You don't need to have the hashtag, just the number there. All right, so that's going to be my widget color. I'm going to click Save. And now we're going to go over to Kajabi. And I'm just going to pick a real simple page template. But you could do this on any page in Kajabi. And thinking. Come on. Okay. So over here on the left, you'll see add a section. So we're going to click that. And I can never remember if it's custom content or, let me just look and see. I'm pretty sure it's custom content. We're going to try that first. Click Add. Okay, so let me delete the text that's in that box. Then I'm going to click those little like triangle thingies in the top left that says source code, and then I'm going to click Paste and then click OK. And you can see over here in the box what it's going to look like, and I am going to click Save. And there it is. Whoops. So, and of course I could get rid of that big picture if I want, and have no background image. Let me click Save again. All right, and then click back, and I think this is where I could get rid of the background image. Yeah. So, and I could get rid of this overlay, and now I've just got the box. So that's how You do it. Oh, and by the way, what is SpeakPipe? SpeakPipe is the coolest app. It allows you to press the button, anybody visiting your page, and they can leave you a voicemail, and you can reply with a voicemail. You could download their message. It's really fantastic. Yeah, so in fact, if you want to see it in action, watch this. So I'll just click start recording. Okay, look how cute that is too. I just love a good user interface. So I'm talking. I can only talk for 2 minutes, but yada, yada, yada. See how the waves move when I talk? I'm going to stop talking so you can see the waves stop. And now the waves start again. And now they start again. Okay, and click stop. And then optional name, optional email, and click send. Now there is a way to integrate the email also with Kajabi, and maybe I'll do that with or any email service provider that you use. So maybe I'll do that in a second video. Have a great day.